This video will show you how to get books and ebooks using the OneSearch catalog. Let's begin with a specific title. Now is the time to sign in if you haven't already. Looking at our results, we can see that our second result is available at SJSU Library. Click this item. It's important to notice that the first item shows 2 copies available. However, they're in our special collections on the 5th floor, which is for library use only. Another copy, however, is located on the 7th floor and is available for checkout. Click there and then request this item. You'll now be able to pick up the item from King Library. Now let's try a new search. This time, we'll do a search using just keywords for the subject that we're interested in. To limit the search to hard copies, select Available in SJSU Library and Books, and then follow the steps we went through before. Now, to locate ebooks on the subject, select Full Text Online from SJSU and Books and apply those filters. When you find a title of interest to you, select Online Access next to the book. And from here, you're going to have several options. First, you can read the book online in your browser. Next, you can do a full download of the book, and this will be available to you through our checkouts for up to 180 days. Finally, you can skim the table of contents and select just the relevant material for your research or your reading pleasure. I hope this video will help you to find and retrieve all of the books and ebooks you need. Happy reading!